What are we having for dinner?
Crab green goon. What's so funny?
What is it?
Crab green goon.
And what else?
The chicken on the stick.
The beef
What else?
teriyaki.
Chicken. Chicken or beef?
The chicken on the stick.
And what else?
And as my friend Cassidy says, the fried rice.
And the what?
The fried rice.
And what else?
The rice.
A crab.
A crab rangoon.
A crab rangoon? Crab rangoon.
Crab rangoon. Oh, it's so funny.
Crab
Crab
ran
ran
goon.
goon.
Crab rangoon.
Crab rangoon.
Can you say linoleum?
Linoleum.
What is it?
Linoleum.
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 There you go.
Crab rangoon.
Crab rangoon.
On the linoleum floor. Say crab rangoon on the linoleum floor.
Crab rangoon on the linoleum floor.
What's today's date?
October 18th, 2011.
And who are you?
Adam McCarthy.
And how old are you?
9.
Who's
Teen.
Yeah.
That's in 10 years.
Love you.